Hey, fourth graders, welcome to your reading and writing lesson for today. Even though I'm not here in your Zoom lesson talking you through the lesson, I'm here to tell you what you have to do. For your reading and writing lesson today, you are going to read a story called Superhero Joey. I put this in a Google slide for you, and here are all your directions. So when you click on Superhero Joey, it will bring you to a new Google slide. I'm going to move this so we can see it better. There we go. Even better. Okay, waiting for it to load. You're going to read this story. It is 2 slides long. So you're going to read the 2 slides of the story. Make sure you read the whole story. Then you will be given 5 questions. So look at the next slides are questions. Why was Joey dressed like a superhero? Remember to restate the question, right? Turn that question into a statement. Why was Joey dressed like a superhero? Joey was dressed like a superhero because, and then you answer. In order to answer, just double click on the yellow box and there you go, you can type away. Okay, you have number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your only question you do not need to restate the question is number 3, where you have to list all 4 characters. So when you list, you could just separate them with a comma. Alrighty? That's all you have to do for reading. Now, when you go back to your lesson, you're going to hit submit, turn in when you completed everything, meaning reading the story and completing the 5 questions. When you're completely done, you need to make sure to do the last part. You have to complete 2 language lessons in MobyMax. Yes, you really have to do this. So when you're done turning that in, you're going to log onto MobyMax and complete 2 language lessons. I'm looking forward to seeing your work and seeing you on Monday. Have a fabulous weekend. Remember to read. Bye, boys and girls.